In this video we will disassemble the stock of the SSG11. If you haven't watched the previous parts, there is one screw, one is hiding here inside and the other one is right here. So 3 screws, and then you can remove this. We will set this aside because that's part of different videos. And now we will start disassembling the stock. So first thing we can do is remove this piece, which you probably already removed to get to this point. And now we will start in the front. Here we have one screw. This is actually a screw that is securing the front part. One on the side and one on the other side. We will remove all of them to actually remove this end cap. If you want to extend the handguard, this is what you will need to do. So let's just get this out. You can use an Allen key to get it going. Careful, there is a small little rubber seal that actually makes it stiffer so it doesn't turn on you easily. Keep it on the screw so you don't lose it. After this is done, we will need an Allen key bit, and we remove these 2 from the side. That will allow us to take it off. And now we can basically just wiggle it out, and that's gonna stay out. Now there is one more block on the inside in which we are actually screwing the screws, so you can get it out like so. There are the holes right there. So we keep it together. Now we can remove the side panels. Very self-explanatory. We have 2 screws. If we take them out, we can simply pop off the panel and you can replace it for a different color or skeletonized or whatever you need to do. All right, we set it aside. I'm not gonna do the other side. It's exactly the same. So let's move on. And the next thing we will do is gonna be this QD mount. We will need a slightly larger Allen key. There is a back plate. Why would you do this? Maybe if you want to switch to a left-handed bolt handle, this is something you would switch to the other side. So it's literally 2 screws. The plate will pop out, and now you can take this whole thing, including the screws, keep it there. Here we have the other one, which we can also remove. Same process. 2 screws. And now it's out. Notice the orientation. This is how it goes in there. We will keep the screws together. The next thing will be these side panels from the grip. So let's remove one of them only, maybe from this side. Again, same thing. If you want to change to a different one, this is how you can do it. I'm not going to remove the other one because it is the same. Instead, we will actually remove the whole grip. For that, I'm going to use this extension and this bit. Just like that. And now it's off. We can take out the screw and we will move on to the stock. Now before we start disassembling the stock, here we have the castle nut. I would recommend not touching it unless you have this tool or unless you are willing to scratch it. If you don't use a tool like this that is specifically designed for castle nut, if you want to tighten it, it will very likely get scratched. You need to use big pliers. Not really worth it. Definitely handy to have if you have AR-15s. You can also remove this screw on the inside that will allow you to slide the whole thing out, and you can replace it for a Picatinny adapter, and you can have folding stocks or anything Picatinny. Let's do both because this is full disassembly. First we will start with the stock. Grab it, pull it all the way down and slide it off. You need to grab this and actually pull it down. This is not enough. That doesn't fully remove the pin. So that's how you remove this. Now let's do the castle nut again. I would advise not to do this. It's quite tight. Now you see it's completely loose. And we can just unscrew it. If you want to put it back, I would actually suggest to use screw glue or make it really tight so it doesn't start wobbling and unscrewing itself in the middle of the game. We don't want that. All right, last but not least, we need actually an Allen key for this one because it's hard to get there with a screwdriver. So let's see this. And now we just loosen it and we can work the rest out with the fingers. So I'm gonna undo the screw. It's a pretty long solid thread. And now we are able to remove this as well. And what we are left with is the stock bunch of parts. Here is the nut for the grip. And of course, I didn't remove this panel because it's the same as this one and this panel. But yeah, that's pretty much it. In the next video, we will put it back together.